Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of C language programs using DevC++ IDE, we are going to start with the question number 7 and this is the video number 8. I hope you have watched the previous video lectures because each and every video is in a continuation and it is required to watch the previous lectures. Previously, I have discussed the installation, what is the difference between system defined, user defined program, what is the difference between integer and float, what is the meaning of formatted output, slash t and slash m, character constants. And today in this particular video, I am going to demonstrate the concept of swapping. So our question is write a program to input two numbers and swap the values of the variables using third variable. Exactly हमें करना क्या है? We just have to input two values. Say a equals to 5 and b equals to 4. अगर हमारे पास input के टाइम पर ये दो values हैं, input के टाइम पर हमारे पास ये दो values हैं, so the output should be आउटपुट के टाइम पर क्या होना चाहिए कि स्वैपिंग का मतलब हुआ द वैल्यूज शुड बी इंटरचेंज्ड. सो क्या हो जाना चाहिए कि b इक्वल्स सॉरी a इक्वल्स टू हो जाए 4 एंड b इक्वल्स टू हो जाए 5. मींस आपस में वैल्यूज जो है वो इंटरचेंज हो जानी चाहिए. कुछ इस तरीके का काम हमें करना है एंड वी हैव टू यूज अ थर्ड वेरिएबल. सो द प्रोग्राम इज राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू इनपुट टू नंबर्स and swap the values of the variables using third variable. So let's start with our question. Hash include std.h, hash include conio.h, void main, our main function, and after that, as we have to take input of two numbers, say int a b, or we have to use a comma b, or we have to use third variable. So I am taking c as a third variable. I am declaration three variables here. Now first of all we have to take input of two numbers, so enter two numbers and this is a message, and then we will take mod d ampersand a comma ampersand b. So यहाँ पर हम लोग दो नंबर इस तरीके से इनपुट ले लेंगे. Now the thing is that we have to use such formula that we can interchange the values of these two variables using this particular third variable, as we have taken c as a third variable. So c जो है वो अभी empty है. C is just a empty container. इसमें 0 हम ले लेते हैं क्योंकि empty है. C equals to a. Now a is empty. As we have transferred the value of c, c is equals to a. तो a की वैल्यू 5 थी. We have just transferred the value of a to c. राइट टू लेफ्ट असाइनमेंट होता है तो राइट हैंड पे 5 था, a की वैल्यू 5 थी और c में 0 था, तो c की वैल्यू अब हो गई है 5. ओके, now a is empty as we have already given the value of a to c. A is empty. Now a equals to b. So what is happening? A empty था, a equals to b हुआ और b की वैल्यू थी 4 at the time of input. तो अब a की वैल्यू 4 हो चुकी है. Now b is empty as we have transferred the value of b to a. Now b equals to c. So now b is containing value of c and the value of c is 5. So now you can see at the time of input we were having a equals to 5 and b equals to 4, and now at this particular current situation we are having our required output, that is the value of a is 4 and value of b is 5. So let's print it. Printf swap value of a mod d comma a. So it will print the latest value of a, then swap value of b and mod d. Okay, sorry, and let's say it small b comma b. So here we are printing the latest values of A and B because it will print the latest value. So let's run the program. मैंने program को run कर दिया है and we are having our console here and you can see enter two numbers जैसे कि हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट था. सो जो इनपुट हम लोग ने एग्जांपल लेट किया था हम वही ले लेते हैं. a equals to 5 ले लेते हैं and b equals to 4. Then you can see the swapped value of a is 4 and swapped value of b is 5, which is correct. यहाँ पर हम एक स्लैश एन ले लेते हैं फॉर न्यू लाइन कैरेक्टर. सो हमारा जो आउटपुट है वो नेक्स्ट लाइन में आएगा. सो नाउ यू कैन सी okay, enter two numbers 5 4. Now you can see that swapped value of a is 4 and swapped value of b is 5. तो आई होप आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया होगा, आपको ये प्रोग्राम अच्छा लगा होगा, कंसेप्ट अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा देन प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल and hit the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. And don't forget to check the playlist section because there are numerous courses available for the CSIT students. If you are a computer lover, there are number of courses, number of videos available for you. So don't forget to check the playlist section. Stay tuned because बहुत सारे वीडियो भी आने वाले हैं. So stay tuned.